Apple cider vinegar is one of the healthiest things you can put in your body. The vinegar is made by letting the apples ferment, and it has several health benefits. It can aid in weight loss, has antioxidant properties, protects your liver, prevents diabetes and cramps, has diuretic action, and improves joint health and digestion. Its only problem is its taste. It has a strong acidic taste and in large quantities may wear down the enamel on your teeth or burn your mouth and throat. So it's important to drink it diluted with water. In today's video, we're going to teach you a tasty way to take apple cider vinegar jello. In order to make this recipe, you'll need apple cider vinegar, apple juice, and jello. Here's how to make it. 1/2 cup of water, 1 1/2 cups of apple juice, 5 tablespoons of flavorless, colorless jello powder, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Instructions. All you need to do is mix the water, juice, and vinegar in a big pot. Next, add jello and mix well. Let the mixture sit for 2 minutes. Then put the pot on the stove on a low setting. Use a wooden spoon to stir it for 5 minutes. The jello should be completely dissolved. Then put the liquid in an ice cube tray. Leave the tray in the refrigerator for an hour. These jello cubes taste much better than the vinegar, but if you still think they're sour, add a natural sweetener. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.